He really about to rock my shit.
Oh my god, I'm dead. Wait, I need the key. Wait, bro, you guys all look, we all look the same. I can barely see you guys.
I'm going in, bro.
Wait, is this our...
You look like Batman, bro. You look like Batman.
Bro.
Here, come over here.
Bro, nah, cause fucking Alejandro, Emmanuel, and I in this little group chat, right? We're shit talking this guy that's been yapping this hyped man for like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
All his cameras on. I'm like, bro, like holy fuck, bro. We be knocking on doors, selling pest control. Speaking like we gonna save the world. Just see this dude Ollie laughing the camera. I think what's next on the to-do list.
Oh, we have to go down there.
Oh my god. Drawer key. Can she shut the up?
Oh.
What drawer are we missing? Cause it's a drawer key. Some sauce.
Phone call.
No, this is Patrick.
Hello? Bro, who been in my ear, bro?
Hello? Mom and Dad? That was strange. Wonder who it was.
Bro, why is Vincent Fernandez playing right now? Cause this boy loud as hell.
What do you mean by bro spitting?
So what are we supposed to do now? Oh, Grandma's gone.
Is she in her room?
I went up to bed.
Bro, why do you close the door on this?
What you mean? Oh, hey, Grandma.
It's not for bed, bro. I'm going to bed.
Oh.
I'm scared.
Oh my. Oh.
She's sleeping. Oh, you guys go do that. I'll stay up here with Grandma.
You scaredy cat,
Grandma.
bro.
No. We need someone to protect Grandma.
I'm up here with Grandma.
It's right here, Damien. Turn on your flashlight, Damien.
Shut up, I'm scared.
Oh! Give me
What just happened?
There's a fucking monkey.
I swear to God, bro, she's like about to kill us. Grandma!
Here. Grandma.
Grandma! Wake up, Grandma! Grandma? Grandma! Edwin, I know you did this.
But that wasn't me.
Don't even lie to me, bro.
Where'd you find her?
She's in the bathroom.
Bro, no way.
She was taking a bath and she slipped and her head went flying back on the bed. Grandma, no.
Alright. What are we doing?
Get to the door?
I have
It said
no
to
idea.
leave the house, so get to the door.
Oh, leave the house? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah,
Grandma tried to take a...
Oh, fuck.
So I do not think Grandma slipped. I will say.
Where am I?
Where did the creep take me? His lair.
I like how we lived in a suburban neighborhood and now there's just a chainsaw killer here. If we lived in like downtown Compton, I'd understand.
Press
A
the
screwdriver.
crouch.
Oh my god, boy got stabbed with a screwdriver? Oh, screw these right here. They're glowing.
Hello? Can I? Hello?
Press triangle, open your inventory, and click the item. Pretty basic. You retard.
My bad.
Just took a shit on the screwdriver. I have it now.
Anyways, there's some stuff below. There's a note down there we can probably...
Alright, I'm screwing the first one.
Can I escape this shit? There we go.
You press triangle again to get rid of it?
I don't have anything in my...
Then
Yeah, you
if
dropped the
Roy picked
screwdriver,
up,
I have
either
it.
Oh, no, Roy's doing it right now.
Why can I... Hello? Oh, there's a safe on the wall.
Oh!
What?
That's what, bro. Do you not see him?
Oh my god! He's so quiet! He's so quiet! He's in the room when we read the letter.
Oh wait, that's a mirror, bro.
Oh my goodness!
Here, bro. Oh shit!
Damien, you just dropped something.
Bro, I'm not coming out.
Damien, what'd you drop?
Oh, I dropped it again.
Where'd you guys go?
We're in like a crib.
Bar.
Someone's getting sliced up right now. I hear that. Oh, I found matches. I found matches.
Hello.
Damn. He really about to rock my shit.
Oh my god, that. Where's the door? Where's the door?
Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Edwin, did you just get smushed?
I'm out.
Twin, you left me out there with him.
I'm down below.
Ah! Bro.
Oh my Edwin, don't do that. Don't do that, bro. Close it. Started the boy. The car took more than time. Wrench wasn't enough. Now he just stares. Wait, what? It started with the boy?
Man,
We have to go up there, though. We have to go up there.
Be careful, be careful. He's literally lurking, dude.
Oh, he's right there! He's right there!
Told you. I told you.
Bro, you can't even see.
Ah! No!
Run, Davey, run! Run, Davey, run! Who's getting Swiss cheese right now? Identify yourself.
I know where I'm going.
Bro, I just need to find a code. Just find a fucking.
Get the f out the
is it?
inventory.
What is it, a gun?
Edwin?
I can't see. I'm in my inventory.
Oh my god! No! You closed the door on me!
Sacrifices had to be made.
Edwin, do you have the matches?
Yeah.
Okay, because I dropped them on accident. I see the two sneaking up on you with the chainsaw.
Bro,
Dude, it literally sounds like Damien's getting Swiss cheese in real life.
no, I'm purple, bro.
Wait, do I not have the matches out? How do I equip?
Okay.
How do I equip the matches?
Damien running around? Who is this?
Yeah, it is, bro. What is he
How do I
doing?
equip them? Here, can I just drop them for you?
Yeah, drop it.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I got
Oh
hurt.
wait, he's after me now! Oh,
We have 3
Oh my
lives
God!
remaining, bro.
Oh my god!
It's all because of your tomfoolery, Damien.
Broken, ankles broken. I hate you!
Alright, so I believe my stuff. No, Damien, is this you? Me and Roy.
Oh my god.
We're kind of just clearing it.
Why is there a fire?
Oh, he's coming! He's coming! He's coming!
Oh my god! 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 Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Bro, this dude is like, the thing is, he's not scary. Just it's so loud to the point it's scary.
Wait, do we have acid by chance? I do know we need a
Acid? Oh, I found a code. Never
code?
forget IDLIBDDR.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh, stop crouching! You fucking ah!
I'm near a bird.
Picture of the code.
Cause I tried to do it and it wouldn't let me.
D.
Boy.
He's above, he's above, he's above.
Edwin! Edwin, run!
Boy,
I ran into my mirror, into the mirror.
bro, you gotta stay away from us, Edwin. I'm figuring something out.
No, he went up from a different spot. I didn't know there was two places
Okay,
to
Damien,
go,
back
bro.
up. Coffin key.
I'm gonna pick those up.
Alright, I'm opening the coffin.
Can I pick that up? Can I?
What is
What,
it?
we're grabbing his wiener?
Pick it up, see what it
What?
says.
Cranker, sample, rotating commonly used to provide national motion for the thing.
Below, all the way below.
What?
All the way below. Follow me, follow
What
me,
below?
follow me.
Yeah. Are you behind me?
What? I'm not. Where are
Where?
you? Oh, I'm behind you.
No.
Damien, I'm right behind you. I'm behind you.
Alright, follow me.
How far?
In the TV. Right over here, yes.
Okay.
Go here. Come on, follow me. Follow me. Come over here. Come over
Bro,
here.
my fucking stamina's down.
Right, shouldn't it be right here, right here, right here, right here.
Yeah, you need to turn it.
I can't. It's a cranker. Why the fuck would we need a thing to spin a wheel?
Because
Well, we have two hands for a reason.
Well, it says stretch is shut. Couldn't it overpower it?
What is a cranker gonna do to rusted shut items? It's meant to spin shit.
Mistakes
Okay.
were made, bro.
oh my god.
I really need some bed.